Good evening, viewers, and welcome to today's edition of the news. First, let's have a look at the headlines. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says country will become model of development in the next 5 years. Rules for the various committees under the Benami Transaction Act are being framed, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Academic session for the 2 Eklavya Model Residential School in Samanda and Pahamsim in Ripoi district to begin from April 1st, 2024. Union Minister of Ayush Sarbananda Sonowal lays the foundation stone of administrative block building and other projects at the Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy. And in Khelo India Games, Jain University tops list in all categories of swimming events with 7 golds, 6 silver and 3 bronze. And now for the news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi has said that in the next 5 years, the country will become model of development. This is the Modi guarantee. Addressing a prize distribution ceremony of the Sansad Sanskrit Pratiyogita at Banaras Hindu University today, Modi said Kashi is now being seen as a model of heritage and development. Prime Minister said the echo of India's rich heritage is being heard all over the world. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma today informed the State Assembly that rules are being framed for the various committees under the Benami Transaction Act and the final consultations with the different departments are on. Replying to a query raised by VPP MLA from Nongkrem constituency, Arden N. Basayamot, on the total number of cases detected under the Benami Transaction Act, the Chief Minister replied that there is only one case and that there is no question of detection of the cases are registered based on complaints. He also informed that if there are any issues, it can be taken up with the district administrators or the superintendents of police. Meanwhile, Congress MLA from Gamba Grey constituency, Saling Sangma, said that it is important to keep a check on the Benami transaction as it is also related to the issue of illegal influx.
So the rules are being framed now, and once these rules are framed as per the amended Act of 2018, so the rules are being framed, and once these rules are framed, so the rules are in fact already ready, so only final consultation with different departments, as always is done, is being pursued. Very shortly, sir, the rules will be out, sir.
Minister in charge Agriculture and Farmers Welfare Ampreen Lingdor today informed the State Assembly that an organic society has been formed named Meghalaya's Natural and Organic Society for Livelihood and Innovation in Agriculture to implement organic and natural farming initiatives in the state. She said this while replying to the questions raised by Leader of the Opposition and Congress Legislator for Milliam constituency, Ronnie V. Lingdor. The minister said that the Meghalaya State Organic Mission 2024-2028 has been formulated and launched on February 15, 2024 with the ambitious aim of converting and sustaining 1 lakh hectare of land under NPOP certified organic cultivation. She further informed that 6 service providers have been empaneled to facilitate certification processes and implement the mission.
Now, proud as a state of Meghalaya to talk about the success story. Let me tell you the kind of things that these groups are doing. And today, we have even provided for this group, because of its high demand on certain produces of this over and above spices, also fruits now. We've also provided them with additional support of the waxing machine to increase the shelf life of their produce.
Minister in charge Education Rakam A. Sangma today informed the House that the academic session for the 2 Eklavya Model Residential School in Samanda and Pahamsim in Ripoi district will begin from April 1st, 2024. Replying to a query raised by VPP MLA from Meghalaya constituency, Bright Star Marbanyang, the Minister in charge Education stated that the land acquisition has been a huge hurdle in the implementation for the project in the state as per the guidelines land has to be donated free of cost by the community. He, however, said wherever land has been provided, they are going forward with the implementation. Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma, who joined in, said there are lots of challenges and the work is going slow, and though the agencies of the Government of India are trying, but the state government and its agencies are in better position to implement the work in a much faster way because of local conditions, and even the land issues may be resolved faster and the state government is directly involved.
So how this has all happened, and there were numerous challenges because of course COVID-19 was there and other aspects were there, but more importantly we had issues with land also. Having said that, as the Honourable Minister has applied, we have made a lot of progress in many of the locations. We have been having repeated meetings with BAPCOS and Minitco, and finally we are seeing things move forward. The two projects that were implemented by the state government are complete, and we should be seeing those starting the academic session very soon.
Deputy Chief Minister and Minister in charge PWD Roads and Buildings Preston Tinsong assured to the House that the infrastructure of the police department will be strengthened across the state. Tinsong, who also holds the Home Police portfolio, said that quite a number of reformation has taken place in the police department, and after identifying the need to improve infrastructure, the government has created an engineering wing of the department headed by the executive engineer, and the process of identifying the dilapidated building have started. He also highlighted that in this current financial year, the government has earmarked 50 lakh rupees for each district to meet these challenges. He said this during the question hour while replying to the concerns raised by Congress MLA from Gambagre constituency Saling Sangma on the repairing renovation works of the police quarters and barrack.
Also might that in this current financial year, the government, state government has earmarked 50 lakh rupees each district, each SPs, to meet these challenges, which is on emergency basis, be it the barrack or be it the quarters or be it the offices of the police. So we are taking it observe, and I assure the honourable members and also the members of this August House that we will further strengthen and we will make sure that the place where the police personnel up to the grassroots level is at least up to the standards.
Union Minister of Ports, Shipping and Waterways and Ayush Sarbananda Sonowal inaugurated guest house built under Phase 2 project and laid the foundation stone of administrative block building, pharmacy building and boundary wall with periphery road today at Northeastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy. Speaking at the program, the Union Minister said that the footfall in OPD is encouraging and it creates a confidence among the common masses. Turning to students, he urged them to prepare themselves to render the best quality service to mankind. The Union Minister said that the students should be proud that they are studying the traditional systems of medicines and that they are to be devoted to promote the system. The Union Minister envisions NAYA to be part of the medical value travel tourism and envisions the institution to be one of the flagship institutions in the country.
That this particular infrastructure facility will help this particular institution to grow and also to accommodate their expectation in many ways.
The Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise with the DCIC Southwest Khasi Hills District organized a one-day awareness program on PM Vishwakarma scheme in Maukarbat, Southwest Khasi Hills District. The scheme aims to provide holistic and end-to-end support to artisans and craftspeople through access to collateral-free credit, skill training, modern tools, incentive for digital transaction and market linkage support. Neeraj Sarma, Assistant Director Branch MSME DFO Shillong, said that this scheme is the first scheme meant for the benefit of the artisans and craftspeople in the country, which include 18 categories, and it was provided in recognition of the artisans and craftspeople. The government of Meghalaya through the Meghalaya State Skill Development Society organised an event, Skill Rate Connect, aimed to bridge the gap between employers, skilled beneficiaries and local entrepreneurs. Skill Rate Connect brought together a diverse array of participants including representatives from leading industries, skilled individuals seeking employment opportunities and ambitious local entrepreneurs eager to contribute to the region's prosperity. Throughout the two-day event, attendees engaged in dynamic discussions, interactive workshops and networking sessions tailored to address the evolving needs and challenges within the job market. The workshop covered a spectrum of topics ranging from emerging industry trends to strategies from fostering entrepreneurship and innovation. The Hinyotrap Youth Council Ripoy held a public rally in Nompo expressing concern over the alleged harassment endured by local residents along the interstate border of Meghalaya and Assam, particularly in Block 2. The rally aimed to urge both the Meghalaya and Assam government to prioritize the safety and security of individuals residing in these border areas. The rally organized by HYC Ripoy was prompted by recent incidents wherein 4 local residents were targeted for arrest by Assam police alleging their involvement in dismantling a project constructed by the Assam within Block 2 despite the project demolition by Assam authorities. Commencing from the NSCA Indoor Stadium, the rally culminated at the Nompo Town Shopping Complex premises where a public meeting was held to highlight the ongoing plight of residents in Block 2. In the Khelo India Games, Jain University of Karnataka topped the list in all categories of swimming events with 7 gold, 6 silver and 3 bronze, followed by the University of Kerala with 5 gold, 1 silver and 2 bronze medals, and Adamas University placed in the third with 6 medals played at the Dr. Zakir Hussain swimming pool in Guwahati. And now for the weather report. Maximum temperature 18.1 degrees Celsius, minimum temperature 7.8 degrees Celsius, relative humidity in the morning 54% and in the evening 31%. Forecast light to moderate rain is likely to occur at a few places. Shallow to moderate fog is likely to occur at isolated places. And now for the headlines once again. Prime Minister Narendra Modi says country will become model of development in the next 5 years. Rules for the various committees under the Benami Transaction Act are being framed, says Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma. Academic session for the 2 Eklavya Model Residential School in Samanda and Paham's aim in Ripoy district to begin from April 1st, 2024. Union Minister of Ayush Sarbananda Sonowal lays the foundation stone of administrative block building and other projects at the North Eastern Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy. And in Khelo India Games, Jain University tops list in all categories of swimming events with 7 gold, 6 silver and 3 bronze. Well, that's all we have for you in today's edition of the news. Do tune in tomorrow at the same time and same channel. Have a good night.